Miilux Oy is 55 years old company and my mother and my father established this company 1967.
Nowadays we are quite versatile steel service center. We do have structural steels, ballistic steels and wear-resistant steels. Originally Miilux had their first laser cutting machine in 2018. The laser was 6 kilowatt CO2 laser, and after a few years of operating it, we thought it's not effective enough for our reasons, on our needs. We were starting to think to replace it with new technology, fiber laser.
We have quite a lot of different machines in this industry area, and because we have a lot of machines, we need every year new investment.
The machines in Miilux, they need to be very rigid and suitable for heavy industry. Also for the laser, we wanted to have enough power to cut these thicker plates, and we also chose the machine to be quite big cutting area, 2.5 meters times 6 meters, because our stock plate is that size, so we don't have to cut them into pieces before handling with laser cutting machine. The investment in new laser cutting machine makes us more competitive, of course, because the cutting costs are decreased compared to CO2 laser, and because of the Eagle machine is so fast, we can make the cutting more effective. So I would recommend Eagle laser cutting machine to the companies. Gains advantage of fast movements and fast cutting with good quality.